Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you about frock parts and their names also. Before we stitch and draft, we have to understand some basic and important points about frock for your better understanding. Let's divide it frock into two parts. Upper body, it called bodice. Lower body, it calls bottom skirt. Now come on, detail about bodice parts and their names. You must keep in mind these while drafting and stitching. And these will help you to learn well also. This is neckline. The best neckline for kids frock are U-shaped, round-shaped, sweetheart shaped. This is boat-shaped neckline frock, which is beautiful also. There are some collars for kids frocks are very famous and attractive, like Peter Pan collar, nosed collar, Chelsea collar, and the sailor collars. I will make a video in which you will find different types of collars and different types of sleeves very soon. These are shoulders. These are armholes. This frock is sleeveless frock. But there are many types of sleeves for girls' frocks. This is chest. This is waistline. This is one of the most visible part of a kid's frock. You can add many embellishment to this portion. An embroidery panel or smoked panel or bows or fabric flowers can be added here. We made a video about fabric flower. You can find the link in I button or description. You can add this kind of flower on your waistline also. This is placket. Placket is 3 inches opening on the center back in the frock. Let me show you another frock. These are sash. Sash are colorful ribbon or bands around the waist. They look very beautiful. Usually it gives more fit to your dress seams to the sides of the frock, or in some frock it is just above the waist seam. The sash bow can be added to the back or front of the frock. This is the lower body of the frock, bottom skirt. You can add the pockets on that in order to decorate it. And this area is a hemline. This is another area where you can add it your own trimming galore, like piping, rick-rack trims, laces, contrasting fabric bands, ruffles can be added. At hemline, you have many options and ideas in order to make your frock more beautiful and attractive. I have mentioned all frock parts name in description column. You can note from there also. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.